I believe they're having an alarm test across the street. They have all the employees evacuating the building. All the employees are out. This is 3M Industries on Nordoff Street. Nobody seems to be like worried or acting anxious. They're just leaving the building, but they do a lot of chemical stuff across the street there, so I don't see any leaks or smoke. Everybody's just getting a break, I hope, like they would in school when we had fire alarms. Maybe it might be just a fire alarm test. Yeah, there's the fire marshals. I believe the guy in the green right there is probably a fire marshal. Safety marshal, something like that.